Welcome to this tutorial on using the Square Point of Sale POS system. To begin, ensure your Square device is powered on and properly connected to the internet. Open the Square POS app, where you'll be greeted with a user-friendly dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for managing sales, inventory, and customer interactions. Before starting transactions, it's a good idea to set up your business details. Navigate to the settings menu to configure tax rates, customize receipts, and set up accepted payment methods such as credit and debit cards, mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Play, and even cash. When you're ready to make a sale, tap on the checkout button. You can select items from your product catalog or manually input a custom amount for unique transactions. Square POS also allows you to apply discounts or promotional codes with just a few taps. Once the total is set, click Charge to proceed. Depending on the payment method, you can swipe, dip, or tap a card on the reader, or allow customers to scan a QR code for digital payments. After the payment is processed, you can provide the customer with a receipt via email, SMS, or a print copy if you have a connected printer. For inventory management, head over to the item section. Here you can add new products, set stock levels, and categorize items for easy access during checkout. Square POS even allows you to upload photos for your products, making the selection process visually appealing for both you and your customer. To track your business performance, the Reports tab is an invaluable tool. It offers data analytics, including daily revenue, top selling items, and customer purchase patterns. These insights help you make data-driven decisions to optimize your business operation and increase profitability. Whether you run a small cafe, a bustling boutique, or as a quick weekend pop-up shop, Square POS simplifies your daily operations while providing a seamless experience for your customers. In the following sections of this tutorial, will guide you through this feature step by step, ensuring you're confident and efficient in using Square POS system.